Welcome to XChange.Survival, and today we'll be unboxing the pure sine wave power inverter by Juxing Power. The inverter can take a 12-volt DC current, and the output for this inverter is 220 volts. This is the instructional manual. Its peak power is 4000 watts and the rated power is 800 watts. The length is 24.5 centimeters long, the height is 6 centimeters long, and the width is 10.3 centimeters wide. This is the 3-pin AC output with the LED voltage display and the on-off switch. And this is the fan with the positive and negative terminals. It comes with alligator clips, 2 wires with lug head connectors, and 2 caps to secure the terminals. Let's lay out the equipment. Don't forget to like and subscribe to XChange.Survival.